Welcome to Investor Copilot. I'm Viraj. Today we will focus on the process of creating a watch list and we will talk about the importance of watch lists for your investment. And as we go along, I will also provide my own recommendations on some stocks and ETFs that will be good for your portfolio and we will talk about them as well. So let's get started. So we have in front of us a Yahoo Finance page, and this is the preferred place where I create watch lists. Watch list is something that you can create on your brokerage platform as well. You can create on some third-party sites as well. You can create on the TSX, TMX website as well. So there are many avenues to create a watch list. I just find Yahoo Finance login as convenient place to create a watch list, so I use this. But I'm not biased to it. You can create your watch list anywhere. So I'm on my portfolios. I'm on a sample watch list. I haven't added anything else. So this is what the window looks like, and it's pretty simple and intuitive. And you can search up symbols and add very easily from here, or you can start off over here as well. And you can do some exporting. You can import watch lists as well. You can print it off, or you can create a portfolio out of it as well. So up top, you see some stock exchange numbers and how the indices are doing. So keep an eye on this as well as you create the watch lists and make sure to check this as frequently as you can. Okay, so we click the add symbol button. Now the first recommendation that I want to make is ATD.to, which is alimentation custard. So let's go ahead and add this. We added ATD.to. Custard is a company which runs gas stations plus mainly convenience stores across Canada and some European countries and some Asian countries as well. They have a large network of these convenience stores, and it's a fast-growing company. It's Canada based. It's based in Montreal, and with good numbers, you can expect some dividends, but you can expect growth with this company. Very healthy growth is a possibility. So definitely have ATD or TO on your radar. So we see that the last price, percentage change of price throughout the day, and we see some day range and 52-week range. These are important numbers. 52-week range shows you the basically the price movement across 52 weeks, that is 1 year, and this is a very healthy metric to keep an eye on. It shows market cap as well, which is a healthy 74.95 billion. That is how you add something into a watch list. Let's go ahead and look at the second recommendation. Second one I have is Dollarama. So dol.to, and we see Dollarama. So we go ahead and add this. Now Dollarama is a dollar store which is Canadian based. It's also a Montreal based company, but it focuses on small items and less than $5 items only. Very fast growing company, doing very well. It is a somewhat leveraged. They have debts, but they're keeping up with their profits in such a way that they're servicing their debts and doing very well. So Dollarama is also something that I would definitely recommend for your portfolio. So keep an eye on that as well. This is the 52-week range. 28.25 billion is the market cap, and some more information is here. So keep an eye on this one as well. The third one I would say is AltaGas, and we can search that up as ALA.to. AltaGas is it's a medium-sized company in Alberta and into natural gas mainly. The reason I picked this is because it's one of the growing companies, energy companies. It's not like a very mature company. It's a growing company and ambitious company as well. So 7.88 billion market cap. It is on a growth trajectory, and they have pipelines in pipeline infrastructure, and it's growing into the natural gas and some other markets as well. So keep an eye on AltaGas as well. And let's look at the next recommendation. Next is Enbridge. So enb.to, Enbridge. Let's go ahead and add this to the watch list. Now, I always recommend that Enbridge should be in your portfolio not because of the growth, but because of the dividend. Uh, Enbridge is one of the most consistently dividend paying stock that I've seen. A very healthy 7% above dividend they are paying now. They are increasing their dividend payments year by year. And don't look for growth because it's a very stable company, but rather than growth, they rather than creating shareholder value, focusing on that, they create profits and focus on distributing their profits and expanding their base as they can. So the company is focused on consolidating its market and paying dividends. And that's why, for that reason, not for the growth, this is definitely a portfolio pick for you. So that is the recommendation on stocks. Now let's look at a couple of ETFs. The first one is XQQ.to. So this is iShares ETF. I recommend this because this is Canadian hedged version of the ETF QQQ, which is an American ETF, and it basically follows the index, NASDAQ and US markets. It is not really involved in the holdings are not from Canadian markets, they are US markets, but the ETF is good to go after because a lot of technology and pharma stocks and some infrastructure stocks are mainly on their list, and very well focused ETF, I would say, which is set for growth, not just consolidation or not just a safety, but growth as well. They are focused on growth, so keep an eye on this ETF as well, and you get some information. You get the range for the ETFs as well on your watch list. And lastly, we come to VFV.to. So this is another Vanguard ETF. This is a Canadian hedged version of VOO. That is a Vanguard ETF, which is also focused on US securities. It is similar to XQQ, but the only difference is that this is a little conservative, and there is an element of safety, and large cap stocks are mainly the part of this ETF. So if you want to go a little slow and not too aggressive with your investment, VFV is a good option. So these are my 6 recommendations for today, and very good purchases and an introduction to watch list. Definitely make use of watch lists and look at 52-week ranges, market caps. You can look at day charts, traded volume, all these metrics for your trading as well. So watch list is a very healthy practice, and it keeps you on the toes with your investment decisions. So make use of it. Thank you very much.